So, ito ang kutsilyo ko para sa opening the boxes. So, teka.
Basket?
The little skeleton block?
There's no basket, Tito. Alright, so, here we go. It's a good old kutsilyo. Here's my box. El Cajon. Of course, I think it's the same word in Tagalog, right? Anyway, so this guy here is the happy box. Oh, wait. Nope. Wrong box. Take two. This here's the happy box. So we're going to find out whether these guys can actually give me what I want. I've never ordered from these guys before, but they're not quite local, but just the right distance away. So, if I haven't stated it, this is the unboxing of my Canon 50mm 1.2 f2 RF lens. Remember, zero force and a sharp knife. Just here, a little bit of, there you go, and then it's good. It's upside down, but yes, it is there. Right there that we have the first glimpse of our lens. And of course, the beginning of the end for the current lens in use, which is a 35mm Canon. It's kind of cool, but it's not really good for portraiture, which is what I plan to use this for. Okay, so there it is. Proof positive that the box, at least, is the 50mm f1.2 L glass, sir. And it's an RF, which means that it fits the R6 and all the R line. All right. Haven't done that. Don't need kutsilyo anymore. Let's put that away. All right. Let's see what we got in the box. All right, so first thing. Warranty, registration, all of that stuff. Yeah, wonderful. That's good to have. Second thing. Oh God, let it be instructions for a lens. They are. They're actual instructions for a lens. Typically, you screw it in. You turn it, you lock it, you're good. Anyway, these are general, by the way. This is the cool carrying case. Reminds me of my climber's bag. The one thing that's missing was a chalk bag. This would have been perfect. But if you notice, it actually tells you roughly what sizes you can use it for. Well, I guess that's the size, but the model number. All right, well, we're not gonna throw that. That's kind of cool. Then we got more box, more packing material. Must be safe. And here's your hood. Doesn't have the weird cloth material, but it has a kind of a, it is textured. Plastic though, all plastic. Nice metal lock. This is gonna lock on and stay. It's always good if you don't like flare. As you'll know in some of my videos, I do have a bit of sun flare in there. That'll prevent that. And there it is, the burly monster itself. Now, to be honest, ang bigatito, parang parehas ang camera. It's like the same weight. Let's see, I think it is, wow, very dark. I can't see anything in here. Yeah, so it takes a 77 filter, which comes in a variety of qualities, shapes, and sizes. Well, actually, 7mm filter only comes in one. It's a 70mm. That's the name. Okay, well, that looks like that's it. That is the unboxing. It's a lens. I think it's, maybe you can see the actual inside of that. It may be harder to see. So there you go. That's a monster of a lens, though. It's gonna be beautiful. These are always heavy. The big prime lenses, the L glasses. Yeah, it's always heavy. All right, well, thanks for stopping. Catch me on the other two. I got at least 2 more of these I have to do. Thank you. I know this word. Catch you later. Okay, so again, same weird spider. I just noticed 2 things about this spider. One, its web is not, well, it doesn't seem to be built every morning. And 2, it seems to have, well, a mate, somebody hanging around on the inside, which is weird for spiders, because I thought spiders pretty much were antisocial and, yeah, cannibals. So I don't know what's going on there. I got to read about that one. That's definitely something to YouTube and Yahoo and research. Oh, where'd he go? Uh-oh. Yeah, somebody didn't. Yeah, spiders are lightning fast in the web. Got to tell you, that was unscripted. I didn't train this spider. You know, it's just how it works out. So I think it caught something and, well, either nibbled it or dropped it out. Spiders are fastidious. They don't like things tying up their web. I mean, you know, the things have to be invisible to catch stuff. Either case, I'll add a picture and the name of this thing. This is the third one I found on the web. Second one in residence. There's one crawling around looking for a home. Anyway, as I said, we don't really kill them if they're outside. All right. Big Kev out.